put it over that one. You gotta aim it at the bush though, because.
Hey, Murf. Go get the ball.
You gotta get right up the middle of the little belly flop on it.
Oh, good. Come here. Drop it.
Yeah.
Drop it, Murf.
It's not his hunky-dory.
Oh, boy. Get out of the way, Eric.
Murphy has snow.
Oh, this is funny home video stuff.
No, we got him.
Do it a few times. I'm gonna send this in. Keep doing it till I get quite a few of them. I'm gonna send it in.
Get out of the way, Eric. Get out of the way, Thomas.
Back up, you guys. Get out.
Be out here.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do some editing though. No sound.
Good job, Murf.
Good boy, Murph.
Everybody. Come here. Murphy, bring here. Drop it. Drop it.
Oh, sorry. It was just sitting there, just staring at me like,
Right in the foot. You yank it.
I got the 1990 motor still good.
Right in the foot. Right in the foot. Oh my God.
I'm telling you. Good boy. Good boy.
No.
Sit. 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 Sit.
He's like, I got it though.
Yeah, bring here, Murf.
Sometimes you'll actually go backwards. Oh, you missed it. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday.
No.
Drop it. Drop it.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Go get it. Look at the spot.
He's like balancing on the.
That's hilarious.
Y'all missed it when he got stuck.
What if you throw it all the way over the bush? Will he go across the
I
top?
don't know. Let's try.
Oh yeah. Hey, Glenda, just skim the other. Just skim it across the top.
Stop.
Ready?
Ow, he's tight.
You ain't getting it from the bottom.
Oh, yes,
Oh,
he
you
is.
will.
Boy,
He'll get it. He will not.
Oh, that was good.
You gotta come over here. Throw it in the same spot. Then walk over here.
Sit.
Hold on, I got a good spot here, believe me.
I know, but over on this side, all you can see was
what do you
Murphy's
got?
head.
What do you got? Good boy, Murph.
Good boy, Murphy.
Just skim it.
Good boy, Murph.
And say, oh,
Good boy.
Murphy did.
I'm gonna cut these together and send it in.
Drop it. Good boy.
Maybe we'll win $5,000.
No, it's $10,000.
Oh, is it?
And then you go for the
it's rough around.
100,000.
Come on.
If you win the
Boy,
10,000, then you
Drop
register
it.
for the 100,000.
Drop
We
it.
watch it every night with the girls because they love it.
I love funny song videos.
Oh, I know.
I had one accepted once, but I never saw it on there. That's what I was watching in there when I was in there.
Good boy, Murphy.
Video of one of the kids.
I'm able to see that.
Drop it.
Our dog,
I'm still able to see it.
our dog sat on his head. It was really funny.
You want to see it?
that was a miss.
Yeah.
See it, get out.
Oh, you got it.
Look, I'm right in there, see it. Whoa.
Good boy, Murph. Good boy, Murphy.
You want to take it to the creek?
Yeah.
Thomas,
Let's go to the
Eric,
creek.